Good day everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Math with Ajanako. Today we shall be concluding the surd class. Before us is equality of surds and radical equation. On equality of surds, given that a plus root b is equal to e plus root f, it is obvious that they are both rational statements. Now we are saying they are both equal. Now to deal with that, now let's collect like terms, collecting rational together and collecting irrational together. So this becomes a minus e equal to root f minus root b. So there's no how you can add or subtract rational that it will give you irrational. Likewise, there's no how you can subtract and add irrational to give you rational, which implies that the a part of this rational in this aspect of irrational is 0. So a minus e is equal to 0. So telling us that what the a is equal to e. Likewise, if you are to view the impact of the irrational on the part of the rational, is also 0, because there's no how you can add irrational or subtract irrational that it will give you rational. So in this case now, you are going to have root f minus root b equal to 0, meaning root f is equal to root b and f is equal to b. What are we saying in essence? Whenever I have a statement like this, the rational part will always be equal to the rational part in this side, and the irrational part here will always be equal to irrational part here under equality of surds. The application of this can be seen in this question. Find the square root of 8 minus 2 root 15. To do this, we are going to say, let's assume the square root of 8 minus 2 root 15 to be equal to root x minus root y, because I have minus in between the terms here, so I'm using minus here. So in that case, it implies that what your 8 minus 2 root 15 should be equal to the square root of x minus the root of y, all raised to the power 2. Meaning if you square it, it should give you this, of course. Now expanding this will give me just normal expansion of surd. This will give me root x minus root y multiplied by root x minus root y. By so doing, this will give me root x raised to power 2 minus root xy minus root xy plus root y raised to power 2. So this will give me x. This will give me x minus 2 root xy plus y. So this is x plus y minus 2 root xy. So now comparing this and this together, now here comes the application. Comparing this and this together, we can easily say the rational part 8 in this case is equal to the rational part x plus y, which is x plus y here, equation 1. Then the irrational part, which is minus 2 root 15, in this case is equal to the rational part here, minus 2 root xy. So this implies in this case that I'm having 15 to be equal to xy. This will be equation 2. Now solving this simultaneous equation from equation 1, we can say that y is equal to 8 minus x. So we can put 1, okay, let's call this equation 3. We can put equation 3 in equation 1, substituting in equation 2, because we got it from equation 1. And when we do that, we get 15 equal to x into brackets 8 minus x. Expanding that, we have 15 equal to 8x minus x raised to power 2. Now, rearranging, I have x raised to power 2 minus 8x plus 15 equal to 0. And when you solve this, you should get x minus 5, then x minus 3, is equal to 0, then x is equal to 5, or x is equal to 3. Now, from here, to get the next one, to get the values of y, we have to substitute the values of x in the values of in the equation 3, which we got here. So put values of y of x in 3 to get y. So we now have y is equal to 8 minus 5, or y is equal to 8 minus 3. So y is now equal to 3 here, or y is equal to 5 here. What does this mean? When we substitute our value to be 5 here, we have 3 here, meaning we are having 5,3, or we have what? When you substitute 3, we have 5 here, or we have what? 3,5. So let's manage it up here. Now, therefore, we can now conclude that what the square root of what? 8 minus 2 root 15 now is now equal to root 5 minus root 3, or root 3 minus root 5. Either of the two are the square root of this. Thank you. From here, let's discuss radical equation. Given this radical equation to solve, the first thing you have to do is bring the rational part to one side and leave the irrational part in the other side, so that I have x minus 2 equal to root 2x minus 4. So after doing this, you square both sides. Squaring both sides now, I have x minus 2 raised to the power 2 is equal to the square root of 2x minus 4, all raised to the power 2. Then this go with this, then this give me x raised to the power 2 minus 4x plus 4 equal to 2x minus 4. You move all the values to the one side, then I have x raised to the power 2 minus 4x minus 2x plus 4 minus plus 4 plus 4 equal to 0. This is x raised to the power 2 minus 6x plus 8 equal to 0. Now, solving this quadratic equation, this will give me x minus 4, x minus 2 equal to 0. Now we have two numbers multiplying to give you 0, then one of them must be equal to 0, meaning x minus 4 is equal to 0, or x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now, in this case, this means x is equal to 4, or x is equal to 2. Usually, when you solve a radical equation, there's that possibility that one of the solution is irrelevant. So let's check out which of the solution is extraneous here. Checking for extraneous solution. Now, when x, to get that, you have to substitute the values you got for x in the real equation itself to get which is relevant or which one is irrelevant among the solution we got. When x now is equal to 4, then we have 4 equal to 2, the square root of 2 into bracket 4 minus 4 plus 2. Simplifying this further, you have 4 is equal to the square root of 8 minus 4 plus 2. This is equal to 4 equals to root 4 plus 2. And this is obviously 2 plus 2, that is 4. That is 4 equal to 4. So this is correct. Now let's check out the other one. This is x. When x is equal to 2, then we have 2 equal to the square root of 2 into bracket 2 minus 4 plus 2. So When we do that, this will give me 2 equal to 4 minus 4, that's 0. So I have 0 plus 2. So 2 is equal to 2. So this is also correct. So here we have no extraneous solution, which means the solution we got is very correct, and that they are the real roots. In the case where you solved and you got one that doesn't fit in, and when you substitute, you got one that doesn't fit in. So in that case, that won't be the solution you'll be having, because we classified that extraneous solution, irrelevant solution. Then we'll pick the one that fits in perfectly as the solution of the radical equation. This will be the end of the class. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Hit the like button and do share our video. Thanks for watching.